What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yoda Expedition here, and in this video we're going to be doing some unboxing of the Icon suspension lift kits here. We have stage 2 and stage 3 lift kits with the tubular arms, so we're going to get into these and show you everything that's included with that. In our previous video we did a stage 1 lift kit from Icon, so if you're interested in checking that out, I'll put the link down in the description for that. But if you're interested in any Icon suspension lift kits or parts, you can grab them at yodaexpedition.com. I'll put the link in the description for that as well. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed and get everything out on the table. All right, so if you ordered a stage 2 kit from Icon, this is everything that you would see here. You got your front coilovers. These are the extended travel ones. When you run the aftermarket upper control arms, you need to get the extended travel coilovers. Unlike the stage 1, those just have the standard travel coilovers. We have the rear shocks here. These are the aluminum series 2.0. And to go with that, we have the 2-inch lift springs in the rear. All right, so let's take a closer look at the coilover here. We have a 2.5-inch shock housing and a 7/8 piston in there, so it's a pretty beefy setup and good for both on and off road. And if you have some extra added weight to the front, a bumper or winch, this is definitely going to be able to handle that. You got adjustability from 0 to 3.5 inches of lift. And pretty much everything else on this is billet aluminum, and it has a non-corrosive coating on it, which is nice. Moving on to the upper control arms, these are the tubular ones. You can get these in also billet, and they have a delta joint. So unlike your typical ball joint, you can get a little bit more angle out of this, and paired up with these coilovers, you can get some more wheel travel. And then with the Icon rear shocks and 2-inch lift springs, this is definitely a really nice setup. All right, so this box right here is the difference between your stage 2 and stage 3 lift kit. This is the rear trailing arms. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these unboxed. All right, so here's your full stage 3 kit with the tubular arms. Everything is the same as stage 2, except in stage 3, you get the rear trailing arms as well. These are definitely gonna be stronger than the OEM ones, and these have adjustment on them where the OEM ones will not. So you can get your pinion angle adjusted properly. So that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what you would be getting if you went with a stage 2 or a stage 3 kit. We will be going over the billet arms in the near future, and we also are going to be doing an installation on both kits very soon as well. So if you're interested in learning how to do an install on this or want to see how it is installed, make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.